Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a TradingView, okay, with TastyFX. So here I have my demo account. For example, you can do this with a live account as well, but what you want to do, this one currently is still pending. You just come here to TradingView and you just open up any chart. Come here, click on the trading panel right here to open the trading panel. And I want you to scroll down until you find TastyFX. If you don't find it, click Show All Brokers, and you can of course come here, just search it up. So we'll search up Tasty. Here we have TastyFX. So click on it, and then you just enter your TastyFX username and password. So let me go ahead and fill that in, and then we just click on Connect. There we go. I've put in the username and password. I'll go ahead and hit on Connect. And after that, you are connected. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.